How to use REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can use the REDnote app. So without further ado, let's get started. So after downloading the app, you can simply open it and you'll be prompted to either create an account or sign up or log in. If you are unsure how to log in or sign up, I have included a video link in the description that will guide you through the process. And for those who already have an account and just want to learn how to use the app, here is a quick walkthrough. And when you open the REDnote app, it will take you directly to the home page. On the home page, you will find a collection of videos, including a trending ones. You can scroll endlessly through the similar to reels or short videos. And to upload your own videos, you can tap on the plus icon, and this will allow you to add videos to your account. And if you want to check your message, you can simply tap on the message tab. And here you will find your comments, new followers, likes, and collection. You can also create a group by tapping on the designated options. And for your profile, tap on the Me tab on the bottom right corner of the screen and you will be prompted to the profile section. And in your profile page, you can see your post, followers, and following. And if you don't have any followers yet, don't worry. You will grow your audience over time. And here you can also scan a QR, change your profile picture, update your background of your profile, and simply access your settings. Speaking of settings, you will find various options under the settings tab, such as account security to secure your account, general settings for customizing the app like changing the language or font size. There are additional features to log out or manage other preferences. Now back on the home page, you can also discover friends, check your history, view your orders, cards or comments, and even access the settings from there as well. And that's it. The REDnote app is simple and easy to use. And if you have any question, feel free to drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.